Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you how to unroot your third generation Motorola Moto G and how to flash the stock firmware back onto it. So it's a real simple process. I'm going to guide you through real quick. The reason I'm going to unroot and return back to stock is because the Android 6.0 Marshmallow update is now rolling out for this device, and if you're running a custom ROM you won't be able to get the update officially. So because I want to get it over the air, I'm going to unroot and return back to stock. So like I said, it's a real simple process. I'm going to take you through real quick. So just to show you all, I'm currently running Resurrection Remix Lollipop ROM, as you can see there. And we've got Super User on there. So anyway, like I said, it's real simple. So I'm going to take you through. So first things first, you'll need to go ahead and download these three files. So the first file is ADB fastboot, the second file is Motorola device manager, and the third file is your stock firmware. To get your stock firmware, just go to the link in the description down below and you'll see a long list with all the stock firmwares. So at the top you'll see different model numbers, as you can see, XT1542, XT1543, XT1544. So just look for your model number and download the stock firmware for your model number. So my model number is the XT1541, and I've gone ahead and downloaded this version here, which is for Great Britain, and it's the newest build. So like I said, just look for your model number and download your stock firmware. When you're done, make sure you've got the three files stored on your desktop. So once again, ADB fastboot, Motorola device manager, and your stock firmware. Then the next thing you need to do is click on Motorola device manager, and it'll set up all your drivers and everything. Once that's done, then just extract your ADB fastboot file, zip file. So extract to ADB fastboot, and it'll create a folder. There's the folder, and open it up, and you should have these files inside the folder. Okay, the next thing you need to do is extract the firmware. Okay, so once it's finished extracting, it should have created a folder with the firmware inside it. Okay, so open up the folder, the firmwares folder where you've extracted the firmware into, and just copy all the files inside the folder and paste them into the ADB fastboot folder. So make sure everything's pasted in just like this. Okay, now just find a blank space in the folder there and press shift on your keyboard, shift and right click on your mouse. So you're going to press shift on your keyboard and you're going to right click on your mouse. I'm just going to do that real quick. And it should open up a box like this. Then select open command window here. So remember, you're going to find a blank space in here and you're going to press shift on your keyboard, and at the same time you're going to right click on your mouse and it'll open up this box and select open command window here. Okay, so next thing is turn off your phone. And you're going to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. So volume down and power until we go into fastboot mode. As you can see there, it says fastboot flash mode. And now connect your phone to the USB cable. Just like this. And it should say transfer mode USB connected, so you're good to go. Now we're just going to type this command real quick. Fast boot space devices and then hit enter. And once everything's set up, you should get a serial number there in the top left hand corner. Hold on a second, let's just close that down a second. You don't have to move everything about like what I'm doing. I was just looking for a file. Okay, so once you get the serial number up here in the top left hand corner, you know that everything's set up correctly. So I'm just gonna open up my command prompts. Hold on. Okay, so here I've got a list of commands. I'm going to leave these list of commands in the comment section down below. I'm going to write them down. So just go to the comment section down below and you're going to copy. Oh, hold on, you're not going to do that yet. Hold on. Okay. You're not going to do that just yet. What you're going to do is you're just going to type fastboot space OEM space lock space begin. Okay, so should be looking something just like this. And now the list of commands what I left in the description down below, you're just going to copy all these commands. So right click on it, select copy, and you're just going to paste it into there. And now it's going to flash the stock firmware back onto the phone. Okay, so it's finished, as you can see. Bootloader phone is locked successfully. So go back to the command there and just copy and paste fastboot reboot. And you can just type it in there. Paste it in there, sorry. And hit enter. Oh, then again, skip that part. Just unplug your phone and just reboot it normally. Yeah, just skip that last bit. Don't bother doing that. Just unplug it and reboot it. Okay, so just go back through the setup. Okay, let me just put in my email address. Okay, so let's just carry on with the whole setup. So we're just carrying it on. Okay, so it says it's restoring. I'm not sure what it's restoring because I haven't seen this before. And it's the first time I'm returning back to stock on this device. Okay. So as you can see here, we're fully back to stock firmware. And let's just go into settings. Android 5.1.1. Let's have a check and see if Android 6.0 is available. Nope, your device software is up to date. But like I said, the update is rolling out. I've actually seen a video on YouTube of the official Android 6.0 on this device. So anyway, this was just my quick tutorial video showing you how to unroot the 3rd generation Moto G and how to return back to stock. If you like this video and it helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.